So a good friend of mine knows just how much I love pho. So here's my rendition of it. You get your beef bone, you go ahead and boil it up. You're going to continually skim the top of the fat once you're boiling it down. If you have cheesecloth, it will be easier. Cut up some onion and throw that in there, also with some beef broth. I use a Vietnamese seasoning to give it a little extra flavor, as well as ginger. And then here we have our bun. I hope I'm pronouncing that the correct way. I throw that in there, as well as some shrimp. There's about 40 or 50 shrimp in this bag. I use the medium shrimp. Of course, you have to have your chili and oil to go ahead and put inside of your bowl. And then all of your seasonings, your fresh herbs, lime, Thai, basil, just delicious, or whatever you like to throw in there, but that's the traditional ingredients that you use as well. And then here is the final product. So it's fun making, it's very simple, and it takes about an hour to two if you really want it to come out good with the boiling of the beef bone.